Baby fawn made it up there to the feed block. Finally get him a little bit. Mama's back out over there, picking up some corn. They really like that feed block. Uh-oh. They got another deer up yonder. He's around, like she's gonna try and come around this way too. She'll probably come over to the corn, to the feed block here in a minute. I get back over here and watch the baby though. He done come off the feed block going after that corn. See them looking. They see that other deer that's coming around the corner. Yonder she comes. Coming around there. So that's two big does. One baby that's out there right now. Uh-oh. I think your mama doe got a little iffy about that one coming to her baby. Well, hey, y'all like this content, please hit the like button, subscribe, share. Hit the notification bell so you know when I post another one. And leave me a comment. I would appreciate it. It'd help the channel.